I found some Western migrant in Africa very disrespectful. They call us migrant in their country. When they are in Africa, they call themselves expat. The first time I hear the word expat was l'Association des expatriés français de Côte d'Ivoire, meaning the French Expat Association of the Ivory Coast. But I want to say this, you people are not expat, but migrant. You are not expat. And many of those so-called expats in South Africa, Ghana, Senegal, or Ivory Coast don't even know their country of origin. I remember there was French people crying when there was a movement that wanted them to leave Ivory Coast. Some of them was crying because they say that they don't know France. They never went to France. But they still call themselves expats. So I was in this Facebook group called Expatriates in Ghana. And this woman was making fun of a billboard saying they clearly don't have an expat on the advertising team. And I found this very disrespectful to the Ghanaian. In the Western country I visited, I have never seen a black person on TV ad or a billboard. Never. And I remember a Russian sushi delivery chain used an apology on its social media account after posting an ad featuring a black man. The restaurant owner said he was bombarded with threats from a nationalist Russian hate group, and he was forced to take down the advertisement. And when I was in Brazil, a country with 70% of black people, many of my black Brazilians told me it's very rare to see a black person on a TV ad or a billboard. And this lady was very disrespectful. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.